Unit 10, Lesson 2 test. Number 1. Using the dichotomous key, determine whether the shown leaf is from a coniferous tree or a broadleaf tree. A. Coniferous, B. Broadleaf, C. Neither. Number 2. Which of the following identifies the levels of classification in correct order from largest to smallest? A. Domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. B. Genus, species, domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family. C. Domain, kingdom, genus, species, phylum, class, order, family. Number 3. On a branching diagram that compares the major kingdoms of domain Eukarya, what label might appear to differentiate animals from organisms in the other kingdoms? Hint, Step 1. Recall the characteristics of animals. Step 2. Think about how scientists use those characteristics to classify organisms. A. Single-celled, make-own food. B. Multicellular, make-own food. C. Multicellular, move independently. Number 4. Some living things are able to tolerate life in extremely hot springs, like in Yellowstone. To which of the following domains would these organisms most likely belong? A. Archaea, B. Eukarya, C. Bacteria. Number 5. Which of the following statements correctly describes a kingdom of domain Eukarya? A. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular organisms that make their own food. B. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular organisms that can move independently. C. Kingdom Fungi include organisms that get energy by decomposing materials in their environment. Number 6. A domain is the broadest level of taxonomic classification. Which of the following is a characteristic of domain Archaea? A. Multicellular. B. Membrane-bound organelles. C. Able to tolerate extreme conditions. Number 7. Felicia's teacher gives her the following list of types of organisms. 1. Ferns. 2. Yeasts. 3. Algae. 4. Insects. Felicia needs to identify the kingdom for each type of organism. In what order could she put the kingdoms for organisms 1 through 4? A. Plantae, fungi, protista, animalia. B. Animalia, protistae, plantae, fungi. C. Plantae, protista, fungi, animalia. Number 8. As Carolus Linnaeus was growing up, he was interested in botany and the names of plants. His ideas have influenced generations of biologists. How did Carolus Linnaeus contribute to modern classification systems? A. He identified the 3 domains of life. B. He developed 2-part scientific names. C. He standardized common names of organisms. D. He used chemical characteristics to classify organisms. Number 9. A series of paired statements used to help identify organisms is called A. Dictionary. B. Dichotomous key. C. Species indicator. Number 10. Using the dichotomous key, determine the tree the leaf came from. A. Post oak. B. Texas ash. C. American elm. Number 11. Scientists often use a type of branching diagram called a blank, which shows relationships among species. A. Phylum. B. Cladogram. C. Dichotomous key. Number 12. Taxonomy is a science of describing, classifying, and naming living things, which classification includes all protists, fungi, plants, and animals. A. Phylum Chordata. B. Class Mammalia. C. Domain Eukarya. Number 13. The 3 domains, bacteria, archaea, and eukarya, represent very different forms of life. Domain bacteria is made up of prokaryotes. Domain eukarya is made up of all eukaryotes. Which of the following statements correctly describes forms of life found in domain eukarya? A. The organisms are single or multicellular and have complex cell structures. B. These one-celled organisms live in harsh environments such as deep ocean and hot springs. C. The organisms have cell walls, reproduce by cell division, and live in and on the human body. Number 14. Which kingdom in domain Eukarya identifies life forms such as slime molds? A. Kingdom Plantae. B. Kingdom Protista. C. Kingdom Animalia. Number 15. Among its many characteristics, which of the following is unique to organisms found in Kingdom Plantae? A. Are unicellular. B. Are autotrophs. C. Have no cell walls.